Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 30th August. And first of all, national news. Center to launch new simplified pension form for retiring employees. India got its second nuclear submarine, INS Arighat. SpiceJet faced spot checks, night surveillance over cancellations. Akasa Air served show cause notice over regulatory violations. Zomato got GST tax demand notice of 4.59 crore rupees. Now, international news. UK banned two Hezbollah Hamas financiers from entering country. UK urged citizens to leave Lebanon amid border tensions with Israel. Out on bail, Telegram CEO Pavel Durov banned from leaving France. Kamala Harris unveiled $50 million fearless ad campaign against Trump. Coastal cities not doing enough to adapt to climate change, a study showed. Mumbai saw an increase of 58 billionaire individuals, taking its total to 386 on the list. PM Modi formally invited by Pakistan for regional SCO meet in October. Now, some sports news. The UEFA Champions League draw 2024-25 will take place on August 29, 2024. Paris 2024 Paralympics. Sheetal Devi finished at second spot in compound open ranking with personal best score. Hardik Pandya and Rohit Sharma made big contributions in India's T20 World Cup win. Business related news. Shah Rukh Khan entered Harun Rich list with 7,300 crore fortune. India added a billionaire every 5 days in 2024, showed Harun Rich list. Adani Enterprise to launch Madden 800 crore retail bond issue on September 4. Sensex rally 600 points, Nifty soared amid US federal rate cut hopes. And that's all in news. Thank you.